Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tammy with a new doll for my doll collection. And you may recognize him. This is your modern boy. He's from a company called A Girl for All Time. His name is Max. Max, your modern boy. He is the only doll, male doll, that they have in their line at the moment. And did you just see a squirrel go by? He's looking out here. I feed the squirrels, so around now, but I already fed them, so anywho, let's go back to the doll. Photobomb, squirrel photobomb. Alright, so yes, so Max showed up. The company was having a 25% off sale, and I've had my eye on this guy since he came out at pre-order, but I just didn't get him for various reasons. So with 25% off, I could not resist. And if you've been seeing any of my male Blythe doll videos lately in the Our World collection, I've been getting into boy dolls of late. So let's see, I am going to try to open this guy up. May have to fast forward here a tad. Alright, there were two little tabby things there I had to cut off, like little pieces of tape. Alright. Come on, Max, get out of there. Alright. So just FYI, I have a few more of these dolls coming. I have pre-ordered some of them. So this is interesting. I thought this was, oh, sorry for bumping the camera. I thought this was elastic, but it actually looks like some sort of twine. I know that the company is trying to limit the use of plastic and that sort of thing. So yeah, obviously I'm going to need to cut through all of this, and I will be back after I do that. Alright, I'm back. I just took a pair of scissors, cut all this off, and he popped right out. Easy peasy. So he has a hairnet on. Let's take this off. And I am curious about his hair because it is quite a bit shorter than obviously the female dolls that they have. It's very flat. I might have to squish it up a little bit. Let's see. But otherwise, he looks to be in really good shape. He's got these really cute little Converse style tennis shoes. I wish they sold just these tennis shoes. They've had them for sale a few times, but they have them where you have to buy a coat, and I'm not keen on the coat. I don't even see how the coat has anything to do with tennis shoes, honestly. It seems like an odd combination. So, make this paper off here. So it would be nice if they had separate, I mean, I know part of it is they're trying to put sets together, but why they would have a faux fur trimmed coat with a pair of tennis shoes, I don't know. Not my personal cup of tea, but at least he has some cute tennis shoes. And a pair of jeans. I do plan to try to sew for him, but of course I have so many dolls to sew for now. But I had actually posted something on a Facebook group the other day asking, I think it was the Girl for All Time fan group, and I got a little hand slap there because I was asking, one of the questions I asked was if anybody could recommend a vendor who had clothes for Max. And the administrator told me, or the admin person told me, no mentioning of selling of any kind, even though I wasn't selling, I wanted to buy stuff, but whatevs. So I will have to Google some. Most of the clothes I find for the Girl for All Time dolls that are for sale, and even a lot of the patterns, tend to be sort of historically based outfits, you know, more like costumes, but not a lot of just like everyday wear like what he's got on, like these cute jeans. These are super cute. So, but if you know of any place that sells either finished items or actual patterns for A Girl for All Times, other than Pixie Fairy, I'm aware of Pixie Fairy, let me know. And I was curious, here's a girl doll. I think, I was wondering if they're the same height. Yes, they are the same height. Okay, interesting. So they probably basically have the same body, so they could share clothes. So that's good to know. All right, well, I got to get going. I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks, you guys, for stopping by and checking Max out with me. I'll probably have a follow-up video pretty darn soon about him and a few other dolls that are heading their way to me. Have a wonderful dolly day.